Hello, and welcome to Chalk Mountain Brushes and Waxes. Today we're going to be showing you how to use our dark, all-natural, 4-ounce furniture wax, as well as our natural boar hair palm brush. You will need a few terry cloth towels. Be sure to prep your project and brushes before applying waxes. Apply a generous amount to new wax brushes. A small amount does go a long way. Remember, be sure to always apply in a circular motion. Also, be sure to get your crevices as well as your sides. Don't worry about the amount of waxes in areas. This will be blended together in our next steps. For this project, due to the appliques, we did clean the brush periodically to remove the excess wax. Use a clean or used towel to blend excess wax, depending on your look. Now let set and dry for 12 to 15 hours for a final wipe down. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out our video on how to properly blend our all-natural furniture waxes. Click the links above for more info.